Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has reached 61 cents. With that level, we have now reached the ideal target for yellow wave 3 as per the previous update. I promised to you that if we get there to that 61.2 cent level, I will add the next support level to the chart, which is here support, ideal support for wave 4. It is only support for a diagonal pattern, so it's not like a great setup, but we can use that support zone to track the ongoing movement in this potential 5-wave pattern. It's not impulsive, but we are possibly dealing with a diagonal, some kind of a diagonal in this wave 5. As you might remember, the idea is, or the primary scenario is, that we should get a 5th wave to the upside, either more directly with a low in place on the 23rd of January or one more low into the support region. One more high would be ideal into the target area between 85 and 96 cents. I wouldn't really want to call it target. It's more like a ballpark figure up there. More like a guideline, you know, a roadmap that we should reach. But we can still adjust those targets as we see the price on the lower time frames evolve and develop. Also, with that push to the upside, the price has reached the previous swing high, that X wave high. Now, that does not yet increase probabilities that a low is in, but certainly it keeps the yellow wave count alive. We could still be dealing here with quite a complex WXY or ABC structure. How exactly the correction is labeled is not so important. It is much more important to understand where the support area is and which level needs to hold to keep the bullish pathway alive. And as you know, in this larger wave 4 correction that we've been tracking since December, my key support level was 39 cents. I highlighted that, yes, okay, in this larger diagonal pattern we are tracking, the price could still come down to 34.5 cents. In a diagonal, that's acceptable, but really, we don't really want to get below 39. So the 39 cent level clearly did hold. The market did reverse in this support zone. It was some time to accumulate, and now I think we can just track this 5-wave pattern. And yeah, there is no sign that a top is in place in this 3rd wave here, in the yellow 3rd wave. But as soon as it is, I can lock this support zone. At the moment, this is, or you have to see this as a flexible support zone still, which means we still have to move it together with the price. So if the price pushes higher, maybe to the next fib level, which is the 1.618 extension, which it should do if we break above 61.2 cents. Well, if it breaks higher, then this is the next target, and I have to adjust the support zone with the price, as you can see, because these support areas, Fibonacci levels, are measured against the distance of the previous wave traveled. So at the same time, this might now be an area where it could easily get rejected, given that this is one of the key Fibonacci levels for a 3rd wave. In addition, it is also relevant because it's the previous swing high, and if you zoom out, we're entering an area that the price has been oscillating around, you know, a lot before. So if we add the volume profile VRVP, you see that this is a critical area. I mean, this is the point of control. We are now sort of hovering around that point of control, around 60.6 cents. So it's typically where the price is entering a bit of a chop. So it would be the ideal spot to start that 4th wave pullback, or at least some kind of a sideways correction. But, you know, we'll see. I mean, they can always push higher. 61.2, you could see that as a little bit of a breakout point. 64 cents could then be next. We will have to adjust the support area. And to be honest, a break below 53.7 cents, that would cast some doubt on the idea that we will get 5 waves up, and it would rather confirm that a C wave to the downside is unfolding and we get one more low in the yellow support area. That would not be bearish. It would simply extend this correction a little bit. Basically the counter trend move in this unfolding diagonal pattern to the upside. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.